In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a new software wallet using the BlockSettle terminal. Go to the Wallets tab and press Create Wallet in the top right. Then press Create New Wallet. This information is the root private key. It is the ultimate backup of your wallet. Anyone with this information can restore the wallet, including all addresses, history, and balances. It is therefore paramount to store this information in a safe place. You will be asked to save the file or print the PDF in order to store the information physically. Once the root private key has been stored, you will be asked to check the seed by entering the 2 lines in the key. Here I've opened the PDF from a secure USB stick. After pasting the 2 lines into the terminal, I'm then prompted to enter a name and description for the wallet. You can manage multiple wallets in the terminal, but only the primary wallet will be able to access the trading. I chose to go with the default name and the default description, my wallet. You're then asked to choose the encryption method for the wallet. You can either use a password or the free mobile app from our trusted authentication partner AuthID. Watch our video on how to set up AuthID for further information. Should you ever forget your password or lose your phone with AuthID, you will have to use the root private key backup in order to access your wallet again. The wallet is now created and will show up in the wallet list where you can view the balances and wallet type.